Good morning, Hedgehog fans. So, today there's a storm coming this way. No, not a storm, a hurricane. Category 2. Hurricane Hillary. I am terrified. Genuinely terrified. So, it's going to be horrible at like 4 or 5 p.m. You better stay safe out there and prepare, because it's going to hit Southern California. And yeah, my house might get flooded. I may die, sadly. Or another possibility, my home will just get wrecked by the high wind speed. So yeah, if I'm not uploading for a while, that either means I'm dead, the internet's gone down, or I just don't feel like uploading. So yeah, that's been going on. It's already starting with the small storm. Rainy out there. It's raining so much. Just wait. Just wait. It's gonna get worse. And my internet's going down. I'll try to use mobile data to see if I can keep uploading and give you updates on this hurricane. So yeah. I mean, I do enjoy rain, but not hurricanes. It hasn't happened in like 84 years. Category 2. What? Well, that's fine. I think. Because it decreased by a little. It used to be category 4. This is the highest. I better prepare. So yeah. You have to get ready. I have no idea what I'll be eating. But probably no pasta. I'll show you what I might eat during the hurricane. Olives. Maybe olives. I don't think the toaster will be working. So no B&J. Ooh, sausages. Okay, I'll probably be eating those. And we are not prepared. We did not pack a generator. I won't be able to charge my phone. And we don't have sandbags. I am not prepared, and I am not evacuating. Same with my friends. I am truly horrified by these. I'm not prepared. Barely. I'm barely prepared. What? Okay, also maybe eating this. What? Maybe eating corned beef hash. Delicious. I'm still terrified about everything that's gonna happen. Sorry, I just needed to get something. I don't think I can make Jell-O. I'll probably eat ramen. I mean, it's like the only pre-prepared pasta that we have. Just have to add water. And oh, 1 second. Am I gonna do anything with this? My answer, probably no. But will I drink it? Maybe yes. It's a 50-50 chance that I drink coconut milk. Oh, okay. Pineapple. I'm gonna prepare all the stuff I need. That's why I keep crouching off the camera. Sorry. Oh, looks like Destiny came. Check on this. Say hi, Destiny. Hello. She looks angry. Cute. So I have this stuff. Oh, pickles. Pickles. I will definitely be eating these. I love pickles. Do you like pickles, Destiny? I don't think so, because they're made of cucumbers. Ooh, salsa con queso. I could definitely use these with the chips if we have some. Okay, yeah, I don't know what else. Even though I'm not evacuating. Why am I taking out food if I'm not evacuating? I'm confused. Like, why? Why would I pack up if I'm not going anywhere? I have no idea. Yeah, so anyways, stay safe, Hedgehog fans. I love you guys. And see you on the next video. Bye!